How to change Instagram Explore feed. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to change Instagram Explore feed. Without further ado, let's get started. You simply need to open Instagram application on your device. Navigate to profile at bottom right. Tap on the menu icon at top right. Once you're on setting and activity, you need to simply tap the search bar and you can type in recent searches. Or if you do not find that way, you can tap the search icon at bottom right, tap the search bar at top of your screen, and if there is any recent searches, you can tap clear all at top right and clear it all. Now with the help of the search icon, you can easily search for any profile you'd like to visit and change your explore feed. So this will refresh your explore feed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.